Hello, grade 7. It's exercise 2, branch A on the page 35 for the lesson prime numbers. So let's begin. Divisibility by 2, 3, or 5. Among the following numbers, indicate those that are divisible by 2, 3, and by 5. So we have a list of numbers and we want to check if they are divisible by 2, 3, or 5. First of all, let's have a look on the divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 2 if it's even. So we look at the ones if it's even. So if the ones is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, we say that the number is even and then it's divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the digits add up to multiple of 3. So as we have the example here, we add the digits together. 3 plus 7 plus 5. 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Or we could say 5 plus 1 is 6. Also it's divisible by 3. So if the sum of digits is divisible by 3 or is multiple of 3, we say that the whole number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones is 0 or 5. As we see here in the examples, 345 is divisible by 5 since its ones is 5. And 910 is divisible by 5 since its ones is 0. We have other divisibility rules. Let's have a look for them. 528. Is it divisible by 4? We look at the number formed by ones and tens. It's 28. 28 is divisible by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So the whole number 528 is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits is multiple of 9. Let's have this example here. 126. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so the whole number is divisible by 9. And a number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. 680. 200s are divisible by 10. And there is a rule for divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if it's divisible by 2 and 4 at the same time. What about 7? Yes, there is a rule which is Chica's rule. Go for YouTube and check what is Chica's rule. So we have put the numbers in the branch A in a table just like this, and we want to know if the number is divisible by 2, 3, or 5. Just put yes or no. Is 12 divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if its ones is even. Yes, 2 is even, so 12 is divisible by 2. Yes. Is it divisible by 3? We add the digits up. 2 plus 1 is a 3, divisible by 3. Yes. Is 12 divisible by 5? We look at the ones. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones is 0 or 5. So 12 is not divisible by 5. So no. So what's about 20? Is it divisible by 2? So we look at the ones. 20 is even number, so it's divisible by 2. Yes. Is it divisible by 3? 2 plus 0 is 2. It's not divisible by 3, so no. Is it divisible by 5? We said that a number is divisible by 5 if its ones is 0 or 5. So 20 is divisible by 5. 63 is not divisible by 2 since its ones is not even. 6 plus 3 is 9, divisible by 3. So 63 is divisible by 3. The ones is not 0 or 5, so 63 is not divisible by 5. 207 is not even, not divisible by 2. 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9, divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 5 since we don't have 0 or 5. 91 is not even. 9 plus 1 is 10. It's not divisible by 3. 91 is not divisible by 5. 45 is not even, so it's not divisible by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divisible by 3, so 45 is divisible by 3. 45 ends by 5, so it's divisible by 5. 112, it's not even, so it's not divisible by 2. By the way, 111 is odd. The numbers that are not even are called odd. So, is it divisible by 3? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and it's divisible by 3. Yes. 111, it's not divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones is 0 or 5. 13 is not even. 13, 1 plus 3 is 4, not divisible by 3. No. 13, it ends by 3, not by 0 or 5, so it's not divisible by 5. 1125, it's not even. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so the whole number is divisible by 3. And this number is also divisible by 5 since it ends by 5.